10. Norwegian Incore. It is owned by Norwegian Cruise Line. It has a gross tonnage of 169,116 GT, length of 333.44 meter. This cruise ship has 20 decks, 2,043 staterooms and a capacity of 4,004 passengers and 2,100 crew. Number 9. Spectrum of the Seas. It is owned by Royal Caribbean International. Its gross tonnage is 169,379 GT, length of 347.11 meter, with a waterline beam of 41.2 meter. This cruise ship has 18 decks to carry a maximum of 4,905 passengers and 1,300 crew. Number 8. MEC Miraa and MEC Granda. This cruise ship is owned and operated by MEC Cruises. It has a gross tonnage of 171,598 GT, length of 315.83 meter and a beam of 43 meter. This cruise ship has 15 decks that can be occupied by a maximum of 4,500 passengers and 1,536 crew. Number 7. MEC Granda. It is also owned by MEC Cruises and has a gross tonnage of 181,541 GT, length of 331.43 meter and a beam of 43 meter. MEC Granda has a 19 deck to occupy a maximum of 6,334 passenger and 1,704 crew. Number 6. Aida Nova. It is owned and operated by Aida Cruises. Its gross tonnage is 183,858 GT, total length of 337 meter long and a beam of 42 meter. This cruise ship has 16 decks to carry a maximum of 6,654 passenger and 1,646 crew. Number 5. Costa Smeralda. This cruise ship is owned by Costa Cruises. Its gross tonnage is 185,010 GT, total length of 337 meter and a beam of 42 meter. This cruise ship has 20 decks that can be occupied by a maximum of 6,554 passenger and 1,646 crew. Number 4. Allure of the Seas. Owned and operated by Royal Caribbean International. Its gross tonnage is 225,282 GT, having a total length of 362 meter, beam of 60.5 meter, and a height of 72 meter above the waterline. This giant cruise ship has 18 total decks that can carry a maximum of 6,780 passengers and 2,200 crew. Number 3. Oasis of the Seas. It is also owned by Royal Caribbean International, having a gross tonnage of 226,838 GT, length of 360 meter, longest beam of 60.5 meter and a height of 72 meter above sea level. This cruise ship has 18 decks that can carry a maximum of 6,780 passenger and 2,200 crew. Number 2. Harmony of the Seas. Another ship from Royal Caribbean International. This ship has a gross tonnage of 226,963 GT, length of 362.12 meter and 66 meter beam. This cruise ship has 18 decks to carry a maximum of 6,780 passengers and 2,300 crew. Number 1. Symphony of the Seas. This largest cruise ship as of 2021 is owned by Royal Caribbean International. This giant Symphony of the Seas has a gross tonnage of 2,228,081 GT, length of 361 meter and a beam of 66 meter. It has 18 decks to carry a maximum of 6,680 passengers and 2,200 crew. What can you say about this 10 largest cruise ship in the world? Just leave your reaction in the comment section below. Thank you for watching. See you in my next video.